Hi guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. So, as you guys can see, I have a lot of products. I will leave the video down below on organizing that shelf when I first got it. But today I decided that I wanted to share some of my favorite products with you guys. And not only are they my favorite, but they are all under $10 each. I know coming in the natural hair world, it's exciting, it's fun, it's intriguing, it's addicting. You can become a product junkie very fast, or it can be discouraging because you see all these YouTube videos, you see all these influencers, and they have all these products, and they're expensive, and you like, I can't afford that, or not even you can't afford it. You don't want to pay that much. I mean, it's not always a can't afford it thing. It's I'm just not. I'm just not gonna pay that. I do have favorites of my shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, leave-ins, stylers, and gels. I will leave all of those linked down below in the description box if you would like to see it. But if you want to see some natural hair products that work for me, maybe they'll work for you, and they're under $10, then go ahead and stay tuned. So they're in no particular order as far as brand, but they are in the order of a wash day. So shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, leave-ins, stylers, and a gel. So first up, I have a sulfate shampoo where you get all the buildup out, all the cleansing, all of that out of there. And it is the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo. This 26 fluid ounce was $5, so you can't really beat that. It came with the conditioner, so both of them together was $10, but I didn't use the conditioner. We're doing the shampoo. So great smell. Slip is amazing. It is paraben free, but I do think it has sulfates in it. It has avocado and jojoba oil. So if you kind of like are prone to that, then wouldn't recommend it, but one of my favorites. Then I also have a sulfate-free shampoo. It's Diva by Cindy. It's the stimulating shampoo. Y'all, this is like a cleanser for real, but it's not stripping. It's alcohol-free and it's infused with natural ingredients. It's 8 fluid ounces and it is $9.99. Just made the mark. But when I use this, it cleansed my hair so well. I do have a video using this that will be linked down below. If I have videos using any of this stuff, it will be linked down below, so make sure you check out the description box. But for 8 fluid ounces, it's like a minty type of, yeah, definitely like a minty type of smell, but it's not, yeah, to clean up your sinuses. Not stripping, lather's good. I recommend it for sulfate free if you are very, very curly girl friendly, conscious, or whatever. Next up is the conditioner. Now, I hate the smell in the bottle. I really do. But, oh my God, it glides on my hair. And it is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore Conditioner. If you do not like coconut oil, this ain't for you. Actually, you can't really smell the coconut oil though. It's definitely, oh my God, it smells like dark chocolate in the bottle, but when it glides on your hair, kind of smells like regular chocolate, so you don't really smell the coconut oil. Plus you rinse it out. It is 12 fluid ounces, and I do believe this is $4.99 or $5.99. All the exact prices will also be linked down below in the description box. It's sulfate free, it's color safe, no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no petroleum, none of that bad stuff. Inexpensive. Love it. The slip is amazing. Next is a deep conditioner. I found this little gem. So far, All of these can be found at Sally's, Walmart, Rite Aid, Target. Very accessible. I found this next gem at Family Dollar. Deep conditioner, Bella Curls coconut oil deep conditioning mask. My hair loves coconut oil and shea butter and Jamaican black castor oil, if anybody cared. This, oh my God, it doesn't smell like coconut. Y'all, it smells so good. It's so thick. I do have a Mask Monday on it. It's so thick. Oh, the slip. My hands was gliding through this. I used this about 3 times. Didn't even put a dent in it, but y'all, minus my little fingerprint right there, but y'all, so moisturizing. When I went to rinse it out, I was under there for about 2 extra minutes because my hair felt like butter and I thought the product was not out. That's how good. Check out the video. Next is a leave-in cream. This is also by African Pride. That's one of my favorite lines. African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Babu Oil Hydrate and Strengthening Leave-In Cream. I paired this with the curling cream in this line. This smells good too. Oh, this smells good. With the leave-in cream, and I pair with the Wetline Extreme Gel. Oh, I get a bomb wash and go. This is also, I believe, $4.99 or $5.99, and it's a 15 ounce for that price, y'all. And I've used it probably like 4 or 5 times, and I still got a lot. And as you see, I got a lot of hair, and I wasn't heavy-handed at first, but because I'm trying to get through these products, I'm trying to be heavy-handed, and it ain't cracking a dent. Next up, heard good things about this, so I had to jump on the bandwagon. It's the Texture ID Styling Cream, Cocoa Butter, and Shea Butter. Told y'all. This smells like the Deep Treatment Mask. It smells so good. Whew. Whew, this smells so good. It's like perfumey, and I love it. Oh my God, I love it. 12 fluid ounce, $8.99. It does have a shelf life of a year, I believe I heard people say. I ain't found that yet. So if you, I'm gonna use it till it's gone. But I did do a one and done, one product wash and go. Y'all, this lasted 6 days. Just this and water in it, 6 days. I want to try it for a twist out. Excuse me. It defined my curls. It's bomb. 12 fluid ounce, $8.99, baby. And I only used this once, but I got plans for this again. Next up, oh, I got a lot of, I gave y'all options with the, so since that was a cream, I'm not really sure what this is, but it's Supergirl Headdress. It's also by Diva by Cindy. It has a thinner consistency. If you want a soft hold for a 3 or 4 day wash and go, you just want to just wash your hair, or you co-wash your hair and you need to do it again and to your next wash day, I would definitely recommend this. This is 4 ounces. It also is $9.99. It definitely smells minty, but for if you want volume, definitely highly recommend this product. So yeah, for all my soft hold volume people, y'all, this product right here, whew. As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Vitamin C and E for hair types 3 and 4. Y'all, I got this for 50 cents, but it is, I believe, either $6.99 or $8.99, no more than that. It is a 16 ounce. I don't know if I said that, but y'all, this gave me, hear me when I say this. Focus up, focus in. It gave me a 10-day, 10. I wash my hair once a week. It gave me a 10-day twist out because I couldn't bear to wash it because it was still super defined. I done used this 3 times already. I ain't put a dent in it. Smells Jamaican black. It smells Jamaican black castor oily. The consistency of this is definitely thick. Oh, whoo, y'all. 10 days. 10 days. Almost done, y'all. I promise. Almost done. Y'all know that one of my favorite gels is Wetline Extreme Gel, the original. By the time this has come out, y'all would have seen the new one. I don't hate it, but y'all can watch the video. Link is in the description box. So I wanted to give y'all something different besides that gel, because I know that's like in everybody's top favorite. Don't get me wrong. It's very inexpensive. It's like $2 something. The original, I don't know if they're selling it. That's why I really didn't want to mention that either. But I gave y'all another one. It's the Less Jam Protein and Shine Mega Hold Gel with vitamin E. Y'all, this smells like springtime, and it's only $3.98. I didn't use this probably about 5 times in this little 9 ounce, and I still got a lot. The consistency is definitely gelish, old school, hold amazing. This can be found at Walmart, Family Dollar. It's really accessible. Highly, highly recommend it. That video will be linked down below in the description box. And for my people who do edges, baby, Creme of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. You can do black or you can do the gold. I done had 2 of the gold, 1 of the black, and I'm gonna go pick up another one. Don't play with me. I got this on these edges, and when I say these will be laid down until I wash, even if this part ain't laid down, these will look exactly like this until I wash my hair again. No lie, no exaggeration. I don't care if I pineapple my hair or just put the bonnet on. This hold me down, and I ain't even no edge control type of person, but this, I ain't using nothing else. And that is $4.99. So it's still under $10. Yeah, those are my natural hair products that are under $10. You can get you a good wash day for about $25 at the most, depending on what you're grabbing. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and please subscribe. Please. Trying to get 300 subscribers. If I ain't already got it, I will get 300 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.